Hi fellow viewers, to everybody, good afternoon. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, my next acronyms or abbreviations is, this is very common in all private or public hospitals in the world. Not only in the whole Philippines, not only in United Kingdom, United States, Canada, or even Australia, New Zealand. You heard this every inside hospital. Okay, are you familiar with these acronyms or abbreviations? ICU. Yes, ICU. Okay, the question is, what is this ICU all about? Okay, here's the answer. ICU stands for Intensive Care Unit. Yes, you heard it right. ICU stands for Intensive Care Unit. Now, what is this ICU all about? What is this meaning of these acronyms? The answer is simple. If a person, whether he or she is in a critical condition or he or she will almost die, they will bring it to the ICU, meaning he or she, as the patient, is experiencing critical level, so they need to transfer ICU. That's the meaning of intensive care unit, ICU. By the way, this is a paid promotion label, and this acronym or abbreviations that I mentioned in these reels is acceptable and recognizable in the whole world of any hospitals. ICU stands for Intensive Care Unit. By the way, before I say goodbye, this is a paid promotion label. Paid promotion label. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good afternoon.